How to use Emergency SOS on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply press and hold the side button plus the volume button and keep holding until the Emergency SOS slider appears. Now, slide the Emergency SOS to call, or you can simply keep holding to auto call after a countdown. With this, your phone will automatically call local emergency services. The alternate method also is simply quickly press the side button for 5 times, and this will trigger Emergency SOS if you have enabled in settings. Next, go ahead and open the Health app on your iPhone and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Here, select the Medical ID option and then tap on the Edit option there. Here, you will see the option for Emergency Contacts. Tap on the Edit option and then add Emergency Contacts to your iPhone and then save the changes that you just made, and they will receive your location whenever SOS is used in your iPhone. Next, open Settings and then tap on the Emergency SOS option you see there, and further go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Call with Hold and Release option and Call with 5 presses option. Once enabled, you can also enable or disable the Call Quietly option you see there depending on your preference. Once you enable emergency service, your iPhone will call local emergency services such as police and ambulance in your area, and it will send your live location to emergency contacts, and this will update them of your location changes. So this was about how you can use Emergency SOS on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.